Stop writing messy if-elif chains in Python. There's a much cleaner alternative. The match statement shines when you need to handle multiple outcomes. It helps you write code that's cleaner, simpler to maintain, and much easier to read. Let's look at a simple language example. The underscore works as a fallback, handling anything that doesn't match. Now, let's look at a more practical example, handling HTTP response codes. This way, your program can react differently depending on the server's response, without if-elif chains. Here's how you can start using match in your own code. First, replace long if-elif chains with match for cleaner logic. Second, match against strings, numbers, or even more complex data. Third, always include a default case with underscore to handle anything unexpected. And that's the basics of Python's match statement. Try it out with your own projects, whether it's greeting users or handling server responses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Python learners. See you in the next one.